So children, now question number 9b. When two resistors are connected in series, two different resistors, so we will take as R1 and R2. They are connected in series and their effective resistance means what? RS is given 80 ohm. When they are connected in parallel, when the same resistors are connected in parallel, then the effective resistance means RP is given 20 ohm. So what are the values of the two resistors? We have to find out the separate values of that two resistors. Means R1 is how much and R2 is how much. So first you write down here, let R1 and R2 be the two resistors. Okay, these are the two resistors. R1 and R2 are the two resistors. And now, as per the question, what is given children here? That R1 plus R2, the sum of these two means effective resistance is given 80 ohm. This is given. Also, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 is given 1 upon 20. 1 upon RP, correct? And RP value is given 20. So what is R1 and R2? Separately we have to find out here. So first you write down the formula for parallel combinations, that 1 upon RP is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Cross multiply children here. So R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2 and replace this RP by 20. You are having R1 plus R2 is equal to 80. If you will take R1 here, then R2 is equal to how much you will get? 80 minus R1. Okay? Substitute this value children, R1 plus R2, 80 in this equation. So it will become 1 upon 20 is equal to R1 plus R2 is 80. So it is 80 upon R1 into R2. See, I have calculated the value of R2. It is 80 minus R1. So replace this R2 by R1 into 80 minus R1. And do the cross multiplication, this into this. So it is R1, this into this R1 multiplied by 80 minus R1 is equal to 80 into 20 is 1600. Again you multiply here, it is 80 R1 minus R1 square 1600. Okay, then write in quadratic form, so it will become R1 square minus 80 R1 plus 1600 is equal to 0. If you will take these two terms this side, so this will become positive and this will become negative. So see, same thing I have written here. Now this is called as a quadratic equation. So you know children, in 8th standard you have done factorization method of trinomial. Find out two numbers in such a way that their product is last term and the sum is middle term. So here you have to find out two numbers in such a way that their product is 1600 and sum is 80. So it will be R1 40 R1 minus 40 R1 plus 1600 is equal to 0. Among this R1 is common, so R1 minus 40 is common. R1 minus 40 you will get. Now R1 minus 40 and R1 minus 40. So here R1 minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore R1 is equal to 40 ohm. Now once you got R1 is equal to 40 ohm, so R1 plus R2 is equal to 80. See, here it is written. Substitute here 40 plus R2 is equal to 80. Therefore R2 is equal to 80 minus 40. R2 is equal to 40 ohm. So the separate value of R1 and R2 we got here 40 and 40 ohm. This is your question number 9 B. I hope that all of you have understood this one. Now children, last question, question number 9. See, if a charge of 420 coulomb, so charge is represented by which letter? Q. So Q is given here 420 coulomb. Flows through a conducting wire. This much charge is flowing through a conducting wire in 5 minutes. So time is given here 5 minutes, which means 5 into 60 seconds. We have to calculate here value of current. I is equal to what? Children, I told you the definition of current, and there I gave you the formula of current. Okay, that I is equal to charge upon time, Q upon T. Charge is given here 420 and time is given 5 minute, means 5 into 60. These two get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 sevens are 7 upon 5. So it is 5 ones are 5 and 2, so 5 1.4 ampere. This is simple problem. So here I have completed your chapter and that sums, and I told you in my last next video I will give you the question answer of all this which is given in the textbook, children. So just go through this chapter once again, read properly, learn all the formulas, all the units, then definitions, current, then voltmeter, potential difference, then resistance in series, resistance in parallel, resistivity, Ohm's law. These are very, very important, children. And in my next video I will give you the question answer of this. So be safe, do not go outside. Okay, God bless to all of you. Thank you.